So a powerful feature of MetaPhotoAI is the ability to instruct the AI specifically on how you want metadata generated. So I have these 6 images here, and let's say for whatever reason I wanted the first keyword to always be green in all caps. I can have that done by going over to settings in the right panel and down to system prompt. I'm going to enable folder settings, and I'm going to say in the system prompt, regardless of the content of the image, please ensure the first keyword is always green in all caps. Alright, so that's saved, and now all I have to do is come and batch generate, and this will apply for all of the images within this folder and just in this folder. Alright, so there we have it. You can see from this first one, the first keyword is green, and if we cycle through, you can see that green is the first keyword for all of the images within this folder. So system prompt in folder settings is a very powerful feature, and there are many other settings that you can apply specifically to a folder. Yeah, so give that a try.